Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Khera. So this is our Linux tutorial. So this is our 14th video in the Linux tutorial. So today's topic is partition. How will we do partitioning in Linux? So let's start. So if you want to see the current partition in your partition table of your machine, then you need to run lsblk command. Okay, lsblk command. So it will show you all the partitions and your hard drive. Suppose this is my first hard drive. SDVA means first drive, SDVB means second drive. So in first hard drive, this SDBA, all the partition has been used. Okay, you can see it. But in my second hard disk, this one SDBB, we have a free space, right? So we will create one partition from SDBB. But if you are using any virtual machine or VM, then it will show V instead of S. S means physical drive, V means virtual drive. Okay, don't confuse. If you have a virtual environment or you're using virtual machines, then it will show you VD instead of SDB, right? So without wasting time, let's start. So first command that will be run fdisk slash dev. So dev is device where our STB or hard drive is mounting, or you can say it's relying on that device file. So what we will do, fdisk hyphen dev slash sdbb, right, to create partition. Okay. So this is a message. If you want to take help, like if you have kind of any kind of confusion, you want to see all of help while creating the partition, you need to press M as it's showing in the, let's see. So it shows all the helps, like to create new partition, we will use N command to delete, D for the deletion, P for the print, Q for quit without saving, and W for the save that particular partition which you have created in the file system, right? Or in a partition table. So let's see. So what we are creating new partition, then what will we use? We will use N for new as showing here. Okay, all helps are available. No need to worry. Just create. Uh, okay, let's should be outside. Okay, so it's showing which partition you want to choose. So we are starting. So we will start with the primary for default. If we don't write anything, so it will take P as default. So I said go with primary. Okay, and it will ask from the partition number. So we are creating the fresh partition, so it will take the first as default if we don't give any number. So let's suppose enter, and it will ask for the sector. So whatever the sectors we will discuss later on the later coming videos. Till now we will set enter, and here is the size. Okay, what size we want to give here? As you can see, here are the, it shows the size, like how, if you want to create in a kb, mb, gb, terabyte, petabyte, whatever you want size, what you want to give. As it's showing, we will assign the size with plus sign. It's showing here plus, and we are getting 100 MB. Okay, 100 MB is one partition, right? 100 MB is partition because we have only 1 GB space free, so we can't create in a GB or in a terabyte, right? So let's suppose enter. Okay, so it's showing, clearly showing it has created new partition one for the Linux. Okay, if we want to print the partition table, click, so write P here, it will show you we have created the new partition of 100 GB. It gives only 95 MB size, sorry, 100 MB, not 100 GB. 100 MB we have created the partition size, but it gives allocated only 95 MB, and 5 MB it reserved for the cache or some other tasks. So this is our hard drive, SDB1. And this is for our partition or hard drive was SDB, and partition one is SDB1, right? So it's showing now, it's showing that we have a new partition, right? So what we will do right now, so we have to write it in a partition table, or we want to save it. Okay, let's suppose for that we will use W command, as we see earlier, and it is showing here. Okay, press enter, and it's showing that partition table has been altered and disks has been synced. So now what we will do, we will check with the same lsblk command, that is the our partition is created or not. Look at this. SDB is our hard drive, and new partition of 100 MB has been created, right? And one more steps we need to do to complete it, that is we need to assign the file system to this partition, right? Like fat, as a fat and ntfs we are assigning in a windows. Also here is xfs and ext3 4, okay, whatever you want. So we will choose ext4. For what command we will use for that, that is mkfs dot ext4 partition number, sorry, file system, mkfs make file system dot the file system whatever you want to see, and the partition where we want to assign slash dev slash sdb1 is our partition here, right? So let's enter. So it's showing that the allocating to the groups, actually what it did the entry in a partition table. So now our file, our kernel or operating system knows that it has new partition in its memory, right? So if we want to use it, we will mount it somewhere. So what, how to mount it, we will see in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Please, I have one more request. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. It will motivate me and encourage me to give you another informative videos. Thanks. Thank you for watching.